Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number is A7808. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps, front parking sensors, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side. You have chrome wheels wrapped with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera on the back. GM bed liner in here keeps the bed safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. Down here you have 3 USB ports and a regular plug so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.